Welcome back. In our top business story, the UAE Central Bank has announced that the country's banks are able to withstand any new crisis, should any arise in the future, due to sufficient reserves and capital. According to a local paper, the central bank chairman, Khalil Fulaythi, stated that a number of stress tests carried out by the IMF showed that they are in good health and highly capitalised. He added that some banks are capitalised at 20%, way above the global requirement of 8%. The chairman stated that many banks have seen the new Basel III requirements and are therefore retaining liquidity, adding that the central bank is also advising lenders to extend loans to SMEs to help boost the economy. Finally, he said that the central bank will continue to allow conventional banks to offer Islamic financial services. Although only 20% of respondents thought that their current financial situation has improved from last year, 43% of UAE survey respondents are optimistic about the future of their financial status for 2012. The recent consumer confidence survey from job site Bait.com and research company YouGov highlighted the end-of-year attitude towards personal financial situations and the outlook for next year. 41% of UAE respondents expected business conditions to improve, and nearly 30% were positive that there will be more jobs available. In terms of purchasing, 25% of respondents who said they were considering buying a car, 44% will buy new, while 47% will buy second-hand. Additionally, 14% of UAE respondents are looking to buy property in the next year, of which 64% will buy new. Laptops appear to be the most popular item that people in the UAE are looking to buy in the next 6 months, with 24% looking to invest, followed by air conditioners and then furniture. Jebel Ali Ports has set a new productivity record by delivering 259 berth moves per hour. DP World's cranes hit the record of moves while resurfacing the container liner MSC Madeline at the Jebel Ali port. Through a team effort, 11,722 20-foot equivalent container units were handled within 28 working hours. Mohammed Al Mualhem, the Senior Vice President and Managing Director of DP World in the UAE region, stated that container handling at their terminals is carefully choreographed that integrates highly skilled manpower with state-of-the-art machines. He added that the new productivity benchmark set by the team while servicing MSC Madeline is a result of the fundamental business process changes they have been introducing in recent years. And now here's a quick overview of how the UAE stock markets fared today. And all eyes are on the UK and US final third quarter GDP readings that are set to be released this week. And additionally, the Indian rupee jumped to an all-time high last week. So to talk about what to expect next, we spoke with Gaurav Kashyap, the head of the DG-CX desk at Alpari Middle East DMCC.
We've seen equity, commodity and currency markets all open this Monday's trading session weaker against the US dollar. Now, although we didn't have any breaking developments over the weekend, we can basically see that the rating agencies' actions from this past Friday, when they downgraded Belgium and when they revised France's and Spain's credit outlook to negative, this type of behavior is still dragging down European equity markets. Of course, we saw the passing of the North Korean leader Kim Jong-il this morning. That had its weakening impact on the Asian equity markets. Of course, the uncertainty regarding who will be the next in line and what type of policies he will be having with regards to foreign relations have weighed down equity markets in that region. Of course, looking at the week ahead, we will have a very thin trading week because of the Christmas holidays coming up, but the two main releases that we'll be focusing on will be Thursday's UK GDP reading number as well as the US GDP reading number. UK GDP is expected to come at 0.5% with the US GDP reading coming at 2.5%. These are not expected to have too much variation in the numbers, but we can overall expect to see the euro getting support at 128, with resistance coming at 132 against the US dollar. Just another interesting story from last week. We're also going to be following the performance of the Indian rupee, which hit an all-time high against the US dollar at 54 Indian rupees to the US dollar. Of course, the equity markets are underperforming. We can expect to see another test of 54 levels in the INR contract.